Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're breaking down how to send Chainlink from your Coinbase wallet to XMO in 2025. If you're new to this or just need a quick refresh, you're in the right place. Chainlink, or Link, is a popular cryptocurrency, and transferring it between wallets is straightforward once you know the steps. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Coinbase wallet account with some Chainlink tokens and an XMO account set up to receive them. Double-check your balances and ensure you're comfortable with potential transaction fees, as crypto transfers aren't reversible. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website and log in securely. Head over to your dashboard and locate your assets section. Step 2. Find Chainlink in your list of holdings. It should be labeled as Link. Select it and choose the Send or Transfer option. Step 3. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send. Be precise. Start small if you're a beginner to avoid mistakes. Step 4. Now, switch to your XMO account. Go to the deposit section, select Chainlink, and copy the provided wallet address. This is super important, so paste it carefully into Coinbase to avoid any errors. Step 5. Back in Coinbase, paste the XMO address into the recipient field. Review all the details, including fees, and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's sent. Step 6. Wait for the transfer to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Use a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track your transaction. A quick tip: always verify addresses and use two-factor authentication to stay safe from scams. Crypto can be volatile, so keep an eye on market changes. There you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Coinbase to XMO in 2025. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.